Today, we're drawing Lucas Sinclair from Stranger Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Start with the left eye and eyebrow. Make that brow angled like, I mean business. Now copy the vibe for the right eye. Keep both pupils big and bold. Add a small nose, then a slightly open mouth, like he's mid-bruh. Draw the face outline around the feature's round cheeks, then a clean jawline. Add the ear. Keep it simple with a few smooth curves. Draw a thick headband wrapping across the forehead. Curve it to match the head shape. Think snug, not squishing. For the hair, use bumpy little curves along the top. Instant curly texture. Add the tied end of the bandana in the back. Tiny triangle shapes work great. Draw Lucas's left arm reaching forward. Start with the sleeve, then the hand shape. Now build the slingshot, a simple Y with thicker tips. Add grip lines on the handle so it feels held, not floating. Draw the right arm bent back toward his chest. Then, add the slingshot band 2 lines stretched to the pouch. Make it slightly angled so it screams tension, tight. Sketch the jacket around the torso, open in the front like it's flapping mid-action. Keep the shapes chunky and clean. Chibi style loves simple forms. Time for the details. Add seams, pockets, and sleeve lines. Now the belt, draw a rectangle buckle, then stack a few small pouch boxes across. Yes, he's basically carrying the whole inventory. Draw the pants with a wide action stance, one knee bent more than the other. Add wrinkles at the knees and ankles so it looks dynamic, not stiff. Finish with sneaker simple soles. Then add lace lines and stripes. Quick check. Eyes fierce, band tight, stance strong. Yep, Lucas is locked in. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time.